What's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Keep It Up, Krista Jackson. I'm your girl, Kristen. Want you guys to subscribe, like, hit the bell. Follow me on Instagram, Kristen9, TikTok, Kristen Ryan. That's what I guess do. Today is June 9th. Happy Monday. It's the first. It's 2:19 p.m. It's the first clip. Good afternoon, people. I've been like cleaning stuff. That's why I've been not been vlogging. I vlogged so bad this morning, but I was like, I had to work clean. I had to clean. So I cleaned. I finished. I know I'm tired. I'm tired now. I like this pink blue ball. Okay, I cut myself up, but like, I get a blue ball. So yeah, I really like it a lot. I'm watching my new vlog. If you guys want to go watch it, you can. It's up right now. I like it like that. Oh yeah. I keep having weird dreams, but I can't remember this one. I'm surprised I can remember the other one. Like, it's so weird. But okay, so it's like I was in the dream. Like, I was like physically in the dream. Not here, but I was like in the dream. It's 1:25 a.m. It's the clip. Let's get the hour. Where is it? Yep. Where is it? 2:12. There it goes. Okay. 2:12. So I'm like really tired, guys. Like, I just want to, you know, it's about to be 90 degrees. Where are they going? It's 2:21 p.m. Second clip. Drinking this, and nobody say nothing, and I'm good. I also really have to go downstairs, like to eat and get water. That's it. I got water last night, and it was still cold. I want to get the coldest water bottle. Nobody say nothing. Okay. Oops. Yeah, it's gonna be hot today. But yeah, I'm gonna go. I will see you guys at 12. Bye. What's up, guys? It's 1:18 p.m. It's first clip afternoon. But yeah, I can't buy Shy this month, but I can buy it next month. I'm going to do that. I'm going to buy it next month. I don't know when. I don't know what day I'm going to buy it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so tired. I'm about to do 3 clips. No, 4 clips. Yeah, 4 clips right now. But yeah. I've been like super tired. I'm gonna go to sleep. I had a band. What I do is go to sleep. It's 1:20 p.m. Second clip. You know, it's so ridiculous that I had a band and I don't have it anymore. I want. But I can't. No, for real. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm wearing my lucky shirt and I'm wearing my brown pants. And then I'm gonna wear a wig. But now I have this on. Like a outfit right now. But yeah. So yeah. I can take this off. Sure. But yeah. It's 2:23 p.m. It's 3rd clip. Got one more clip. Yeah, I'm gonna be 90 degrees today. I like the sun like this. It's so beautiful. Hopefully it looks great with the moody. I like moody filters because
I don't know which I'm gonna do.
Like really better.
They're gonna make my phone bill
Then I'm going to buy an app. Then I'm going to buy that fan. So I got 3 things to buy now. And yeah, then I'm going to save my money.
Living with opioid addiction can be a struggle. Supplicate with Counseling is for adults with moderate to severe opioid addiction.
Don't do it, girl. It's not worth it. I ain't gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I ain't gonna do it. I did it. I'm sorry, girl. I had to. Y'all, I done made a fresh new TikTok.
Yeah.
Okay. I know it is long-awaited. The girl has not been on TikTok in almost like 4 years. Like it's been over 3 years. So, yeah. Yes, I do already have a TikTok account, but I just wanted to go ahead and start.
No, actually, you can watch the Love Island season 7, episode 1.
But yeah,
on YouTube, like right here. I'm going to end the full episode. Like, yeah. I'm going to watch the Love Island, and hopefully you guys watch it.
All you have to do is hit the icons.
Love Island. Oh yeah, I watched that movie Straw on Netflix. I don't know. Do you guys like that?
yeah, I was on my friend's TikTok live. I was on there, but I got off of there. I'm not really on TikTok like that, but I'm gonna try to get back on TikTok. Try to get back to doing stuff I used to do. And yeah, I'm TikTok right now.
Go ahead and follow my Snapchat public profile as well as my TikTok. Once again, both of those are in my link tree link down below.
So guys, it's 5:25 p.m.
With clip and anxious today because I have no idea in the
But
world
yeah,
what the plans are today. So
it's 2:25 p.m. Fourth club, last couple of hours. And then I can't vlog anymore because I'm not today going long nap. Hopefully I can wake up on time just to vlog again every hour. But it's probably not gonna happen. But that's okay. And that's okay. Because like I don't care. Also,
all I want to say is this: there are many times when people got me when I was little and I didn't want it. Like I didn't ask for this. Like, I'm sorry. Like you didn't have to spend the money on that. All you had to do was give me the money. And I know that sounds bad, but
what the
I
fuck?
was at TJ Maxx the other day looking at.
I don't even know where the fuck I am. I'm like, when I try to fall asleep, my bad guys. It's like,
What's up, guys? 1:27 p.m.
I don't know. Oh yeah. I keep falling asleep. I need to hear it finish this clip. I keep falling asleep.
Because if I open the blinds, it's gonna be, I don't like that something. So I have to close it so it can be cooler. The windows open. Everything.
But yeah, I need to stop doing that. I need to like talk more about stuff that's in my videos.
Every single time they come with me, I buy a bunch of snacks and I put it in the cart, and they don't want any of the snacks.
But yeah. Anyways. Oh my god. Hurry up. 2 o'clock. 2 minutes in. Hurry up. Okay. I'm about to go and see you guys next clip. Okay, what's up guys? Update time. It's 3:02 p.m. First clip. I haven't been really vlogging. I've been sleeping. No. I have been sleeping. Yeah. I wish Star will come back. You know, the shell Star. I wish it would come back.
You guys, we need to talk about Stephanie Sue, who has been heavily covering the Diddy trial. She has been going in the courtroom.
I wish come back, but I'm gonna come back. I know it's not.
People are scared for her. They feel like Diddy knows who she is, and
I'm doing 3, so I'm like, I know it's not gonna come back at all. But like, yeah.
So if you've been following
3:04
Stephanie Sue,
p.m.
aka
second
the
clip.
storytelling mukbang queen and host.
I've been tired. I'm just gonna sleep. I'm gonna go to sleep. I don't know. Oh, damn. I'm gonna want it. I don't need you. But I'm done with the bathrooms, stairs, in the hallway. Now I'm relaxing and blogging and all this stuff. And I hope you guys will like this vlog today, even though I wanted it really short. Hopefully this is gonna be a short vlog today. It's just like, oh my god. At least I'm like vlogging, right? I'm vlogging a lot of everything. Damn. I need you, I want you. I need you. It's 3:06 p.m. Third clip, last clip hour. Boom, boom, boom. So yeah. So yeah, today is the day that I'm going to actually journal in my vlog. Hopefully it works out. Me journaling and all that stuff. I really have to journal. I have a lot of stuff I need to get off my chest onto the paper, all that stuff, or I can make it do digital. I don't know. I probably could do digital. Yeah, I'm gonna do digital journaling today. That way I don't have to go in my closet and get my paper journal. But yeah, I don't know. But guess that's about it. You know, that's all I have to say. I will talk to you next clip. That'll be at 4. Yeah, it's gonna be at 4 o'clock and stuff. So, anyways, I'm gonna go. See you guys next clip. What's up, guys? Update time. It is 5:05 p.m. It's first clip. I haven't been vlogging all day. I keep falling asleep. These are feathers. I keep falling asleep, and now I'm not, well, I'm still tired. You're like really bad tired. I don't know. Like really. Man, this window is getting on my nerves. For real. Like, I don't like the sun directing. Oh, shit. Oh, she meant like this. Opposite. Alright. Okay. Better. Like, fuck. It's annoying. The sun was in my face. That's probably why I keep falling asleep. Now, I'm awake. Because the sun's not in my face and all that. Now it's going to be cool in my room. And all that stuff. And I'm going to be happy. Yeah. It's 5:07 p.m. Second clip. Oh. Oh my god. They're all annoying. They're all annoying downstairs. I want to do a theme like this girl does with her channel. She has a theme, like a color theme. That's what I want to do. I like having like a color theme. Hey Davis. It's 5:09 p.m. Take a second clip. I'm trying to vlog, but everybody's like making noise downstairs. They're watching the BET Awards, whatever. But I don't want to watch the BET Awards. BET Awards are like boring to me now. But yeah, I haven't hit my friend up back up because I keep falling asleep. And like, it's the sun makes me want to fall asleep because the sun was in my face and I didn't like that. It's still in my face. Oh my god. Ice cold water. Everybody should get ice cold water for their face. When you drink, get ice cold water. It tastes so good. It really does. It tastes really, really good. You should get it. Tomorrow, I like Tuesdays and Sundays, actually. That's actually the day of the week that I like. It's Tuesdays and Sundays. I like it a lot. But yeah. It's 5:11 p.m. It's third clip. I'm doing 4 because now I can concentrate on vlogging and not wanting to fall asleep. And now I'm going to concentrate on vlogging and everything. I had to, like, it's ridiculous. This room is so big. It's so big. Like, I don't know. I'm so tired. I'm still tired, even though the sun's not in my face like that. But I am actually still tired. You know, people could be tired all the time. You could be tired all the time. And I don't even know what I'm talking about. When I'm tired, I just rambled and talk. It's probably my best friend. Yep. Oh my gosh, best friend. How are you doing? I keep falling asleep. What the hell? My friend asked me how am I doing in this heat. I keep falling asleep. That's what I keep doing. It's 5:14 p.m. It's a 4th clip. No, 5th clip. Last clip. No, it's actually 4th clip. Last clip of the hour. I'm so tired. I can't even though I got 2 fans and still waiting. I thought you got air conditioning. I am so hot. I must pass out again because I am tired. This is my way. I thought it was going to be cooling down, What happened to them saying it's going to cool down for the next 4 days? They lied. Tired. Like, what the fuck? I'm about to go. See you guys next clip. Never pick up my tablet. What's up, guys? Update time is 12:14 a.m. Yeah, it's the next day. I'm doing 3 clips, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. And oh yeah, it's the first clip. My bad. Kind of forgot what I was gonna say. But the rush. Time, I don't know where. I don't need no man. I don't need no man. Oh, I don't need no woman either. I like being by myself. Actually, I really do. I love being by myself, and I'm gonna stay by myself. Yeah. So tired and everything. I just got done watching Kai Cenat's live where he was at the BET Awards with Kevin Hart and Drewski, and I love their trio together. I just got done watching BET Awards actually. It's not done yet, but I just don't want to watch it. I could watch it on YouTube if I want to watch it. Yeah. Oh my god. Summertime, what the rest? I don't know, I'm so tired. But yeah. What's up, guys? It's 12:16 a.m. second clip. I'm doing 3 because like I said, I want this to be short vlog today. Even though I didn't really vlog. At all. But it's okay. It's okay, you guys. It's okay if I don't vlog that much. But it's gonna happen sometimes. And it's already the morning. Like, this is great. I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna do. I don't know what to do. I'm sorry. I had an itch. But yeah, I am. Tired. And when we're done, what's the rush? And when we're done. I had a dream that me and my friend moved out of this apartment, but then all her wick stuff, or something like that, went straight to that apartment, but it was all 200 of wig, whatever. And guess what? We sued them for $2 million, and we get a lot of money. I was like, what the fuck? That's crazy. It's crazy. And then I woke up. It's 12:19 a.m. It's just the third clip, last clip of the hour in a day. I'm going to end the vlog. I want you guys to subscribe, like, hit the bell, follow me on Instagram, Krista9, TikTok, Krista9. That's how you guys do. See you guys later on today, tomorrow, another day vlog. And yeah, I'm just gonna do it. I don't know what else to say. I'm done vlogging for today. And yeah, that's what it is. I am so done vlogging and everything, so yeah. I don't know. I'm about to watch my vlogs and something else. Oh no, I'm gonna watch Kelsey Davies. That's what I'm gonna watch after this. I'm gonna put this vlog together. Everything. Gonna export it. Gonna do a lot of stuff. You know? And I can't wait to do a lot of stuff. And yeah, we're about to do it. I'm gonna go. The hilly? Okay. The hilly. I'm about to go. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Or later on today. And tomorrow. Another day vlog. Because I'm gonna actually stay up till 4 a.m. so I can actually vlog at 4. So, okay, bye.